Freeze it like a boss. Compact chest freezer that's silent, spacious, and saves you cash. Ever wished you had extra freezer space but didn't want a massive, bulky appliance hogging your kitchen? The WANAI 3.5 cubic feet chest freezer is your compact, energy-efficient solution for garages, basements, apartments, and small businesses. With 7 adjustable temperature settings, you can keep everything from refreshing drinks to frozen steaks at the perfect chill. Plus, its removable storage basket makes organizing a breeze, because digging through a messy freezer is so last decade. More space, less hassle, and no more wasted groceries. Sounds like a win, right? Nobody wants a noisy appliance humming in the background 24/7. That's why this low-noise deep freezer is designed to run whisper quiet, so you can binge-watch your favorite shows, get some sleep, or work in peace without a distracting motor sound. Equipped with an R600, a high-efficiency compressor, it cools quickly and consistently while keeping your energy bills low. Compare this to outdated, power-hungry models, and you'll see why it's the ultimate freezer upgrade. Big chill, tiny electricity bill, your wallet will thank you. You don't need a massive freezer to store a ton of food. This sleek black deep freezer gives you 3.5 cubic feet of storage in a compact 20.7 inch by 16.3 inch by 29.5 inch frame. It even has adjustable legs to keep it stable on uneven floors, making it ideal for tight spaces like dorm rooms, RVs, and small kitchens. The door stays open at 45 degrees to 75 degrees, so you're not stuck wrestling with it while reaching for that last pint of ice cream. More storage, zero frustration. Unlike cheap freezers with one basic setting, this one gives you total control. The 7-level thermostat lets you set the temperature from 50 degrees Fahrenheit, perfect for drinks, down to a frosty -11.2 degrees Fahrenheit, ideal for meat and seafood. So, whether you're stocking up on frozen meals, ice cream, or meal prep essentials, you can trust this freezer to keep everything fresh without the freezer burn. Your groceries deserve VIP treatment, and this freezer delivers. Why waste money on grocery runs when you can bulk buy, freeze, and save? With efficient cooling, silent operation, a space-saving design, and versatile temperature settings, this WANAI chest freezer is a no-brainer investment. It's built to last, easy to use, and the sleek black finish makes it a stylish addition to any space. Stop second-guessing, click add to cart now and keep your food fresher, longer, for less.